Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates for today. So the first company, it is GE HealthCare of campus is hiring, and the second one is Nielsen. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for each of these companies. So the first company, that is GE HealthCare of campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, that too for full stack developer, and the salary of the CTC, so 12 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so the bachelor's degree in either computer science or information technology or electronics, as well as electrical engineering and even biomedical or any other technical stream, so they are eligible to apply. And the years of experience, so 2+ years of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the skills, so as they are hiring for complete full stack developer, so you need to have knowledge of both front end, back end, and knowledge of testing also, and some of the DevOps skills. So some of the front end technologies, like you need to be good in HTML5, CSS, JavaScript and TypeScript, and backend technologies like Java, microservices and Spring Boot, and you need to be familiar with the framework, that is Angular framework, which is needed. And you need to have knowledge on testing like Cucumber, JUnit testing, Mockito, as well as Protractor, and some of the DevOps skills like Docker, Kubernetes, as well as CI or CD tools. So this is the complete tech stack which is needed to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the selection process, so the first round, so once your resume is shortlisted, so you'll be getting a phone call interview or telephonic interview in which your communication skills will be checked, and once you clear that, you will be getting the mail for the second round, that is assessment, in which it includes assessment plus coding round. So there will be coding questions as well as MCQ, which comprises of quantitative aptitude and everything. And in coding round, so there will be coding question, you can code in, so just code in Java programming, as they're looking for the Java skill, so you can code in Java programming. And practice problems on data structures and algorithms, then array concepts as well as strings. And like many of the questions were asked, like similar questions were asked from lead code, so do practice the coding questions from lead code. And once you clear that, the third round will be technical round, so there will be two technical interviews, so technical round 1 as well as technical round 2, in which the problem statement will be given and you need to code it and you need to explain them. And once you clear the technical rounds, the last round will be the HR round. So these are the 5 rounds that are included in the selection process. So coming to the application link, so there are 5 different 5 steps to apply for this role. So once you click on the application link, so you can just start your application. So first you need to fill my information. In your my information, you just need to enter your personal information, everything. So the second step is my experience, so in that you can add your experience, like prior company experience. If you have done the internship, so do add the internship experience, then you can add the company experience and everything. And after that, there will be some of application questions, so you can answer those questions, and voluntary disclosure questions. And later you can just review your application form, everything, and do upload the updated resume, and do mention all the skills, front-end skills, back-end skills, then DevOps skills and testing skills and everything. And if you have done any of the certifications related to this, so do add without fail, and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the first company, that is GE HealthCare. And then coming to the second company, that is Nielsen of campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and the salary of the CTC is on 9 to 12 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so the degree required, so it is for bachelor's or master's degree in either computer science or any other technical streams are eligible to apply. And the experience needed, so minimum 0 to 2, like minimum 2 years of experience is needed to apply for this role. So coming to the skills that are needed to apply for this particular job role, so you need to be expertised in JavaScript programming, and also knowledge of various APIs and services, and you need to have good understanding of CI or CD tools, and if you have knowledge of GitLab, so it will be an added advantage. And you need to have good problem solving as well as debugging skills, and you need to have excellent communication skills. So the only skill is that you need to be good in JavaScript programming, and then you need to have knowledge of the CI and CD tools. So these are the skills which are needed to apply for this particular role. So coming to the selection process, so there will be online assessment, so in which there will be MCQ questions, which comprises of quantitative aptitude as well as technical MCQs. So once you clear that, second round will be coding round, and third will be technical interview, and which will be followed by HR interview. So these are the 4 rounds which are included in the selection process. So coming to the application link, so you can apply with LinkedIn, or you can apply manually using, like, you can apply manually by uploading your updated resume. So do mention the JavaScript skills and CI/CD tools, and you can enter your personal information. And like if you are working in any of the company, so do mention the current company and the location, and you need to add few of the URLs like LinkedIn URL, GitHub URL, and the portfolio URL. And if you have any other sites, so you can do add that. And there are few additional information questions like, have you ever worked at Nielsen before? So do answer these questions thoroughly, and your current CTC and the expected CTC and the current location. And those who are willing to relocate to Bangalore, so only those are eligible to apply, and your highest qualification and the notice period, so of the current company. And if you have any of the queries or concerns, so you can do add that, and you can just agree the terms, and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the complete details of both of these companies. So the link for both of these 2 companies, so it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.